Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. We are help you keep your ride running smoothly. If you're driving a diesel vehicle, then this one's for you. You might not think much about glow plugs unless they go bad. These little components replace the spark plugs in diesel engines and are responsible for heating up the cylinders so your engine can start, especially in cold weather. In today's video, we are breaking down the symptoms of a bad glow plug. The first symptoms is check engine light on. Modern diesel vehicles often have a dedicated glow plug indicator light, or they'll trigger a check engine light when something's off. Grab your OBD2 scanner and check for these common codes. These codes help narrow down which plug or circuit is causing the problem. The second symptoms is trouble starting the engine. One of the most obvious signs of failing glow plugs is difficulty starting your engine, especially first thing in the morning or on cold days. When glow plugs don't heat the cylinders properly, the engine may crank longer than usual. You might need to try multiple times before it starts. In extremely cold weather, the engine may not start at all. Don't ignore this, it puts unnecessary strain on your battery and starter. The third symptoms is engine misfiring. A misfire in a diesel engine feels like rough idling, shaking, or poor throttle response. It happens when the fuel doesn't ignite correctly, often due to a glow plug not doing its job. If one cylinder stays cooler than the others, it throws off the balance, and you get that rough, inconsistent performance. The good news is if it's caused by a glow plug, it's usually a cheap and easy fix. The fourth symptoms is poor acceleration. If you're pressing the gas pedal and your vehicle feels like it's dragging its feet, glow plugs could be the issue, especially in colder temperatures. Of course, this could also point to clogged fuel filters, a bad turbocharger, or other problems. But glow plugs are a good place to start your diagnosis. The fifth symptoms is black or gray exhaust smoke, seeing black or dark gray smoke coming out of your tailpipe. That smoke usually means the fuel isn't burning efficiently, likely due to poor combustion. If glow plugs aren't heating the cylinder enough, unburned diesel escapes through the exhaust, causing that thick, dark smoke. If this smoke is accompanied by slow starts or misfires, glow plugs should be your first suspect. Glow plugs don't fail often, but when they do, the symptoms are hard to miss. If you notice slow starts, misfires, or black smoke, it might be time to replace them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.